have the bottle of the Pro. This is a FERREX combi. This is the Pro version. It's a much smaller drill compared to the other two, so it's lighter to use. So if you're gonna use it all day, it's a much easier thing to handle. And we'll see how that goes. And away we go. Yeah, to be fair, I didn't see much difference between that one and this normal FERREX ASB S20, but I suppose this had more, felt like this had a steadier approach to it. So now we're going to have this is an impact driver. Much easier to insert the bit to it, and this is meant for this kind of business. Oh, this is still hot. Right, here we go for the FERREX Pro Impact Driver. Effortless, no problem with that whatsoever. So this is for the little coach bolt. Now what we're going to do now is try a bigger coach bolt. Will that fit that? No. So we take that off, stick that in my pocket. We'll work from the top down this time. We'll try with the FERREX Impact Driver first. Make sure we've got enough. See if we've got enough. Over there. Yeah, we got it. So this is with a 13mm bit bolt, much bigger than the last one, and let's give it a right 13mm bolt. Here we go. Oh. Easy. Effortless, the FERREX Pro Impact Driver. Right, now we'll try the FERREX Pro combi. This has got hammer, screw and drill. So FERREX Pro combi, here we go. Oh, you know what? To be fair, that did that easily. Let's try that one more time. Because I had it on the wrong torque setting. So here we go, 13mm drill bit, FERREX Pro combi. Oh shit. I'll be honest, that did that. Maybe not as fast as the Impact Driver, but just as easy. And a smoother drive too, to be fair. Now we'll go for the normal FERREX ASB S20. I'm calling it that because I can't remember what it was called when I bought it. So this is a cordless combi. It's got drill, hammer and screw. So here we go with the FERREX. This is quite a bigger, chunky, heavier drill. This is. So I've got a video about the unboxing on this and the rest of them on my channel somewhere. So let me just give it a fair thing. Right, here we go with a 13mm drill bit. Here we go. Oh no. struggled, stopped, see. Nah. Ooh, that smells. Ooh. So that failed. That got about that far from the top. To be honest, nah. Compared to these two Pro, that was not really good. I don't hold out much hope for the rest of them. This is the normal run-of-the-mill FERREX combi. Stick that on max, stick it on screw. This will be for the 13mm again. Alright, here we go for the FERREX, normal FERREX combi drill. That bounced onto hammer then for some reason. We'll try it again. Here we go. Nah, it's hit the max of where it's supposed to be. Oh, actually did better than the bigger one. Oh. Nope. Oh, I didn't like that at all. No, it doesn't smell as bad as that one. Now, I don't know if I'll even try this with that one, because with the old Asda one, I don't think that's going to do it, to be honest. Here we go. I can't see this doing it, but here we go for the Hyper Tough Asda Special. It's not a hammer drill, it's a drill and a screwdriver. Well, here we go. I'll give it, start off like I've done with all the rest. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, Asda. Well, it did just as good as this heavy ASB S20 combi Aldi, whatever that is, FERREX thing. I'll be honest, there's not a lot of difference between that and that, except that that's got a hammer drill, this one hasn't. It tries for what it is. Fair play to Asda for this drill. Hyper Tough. And to be fair, for what it is, for its size, that's a handy little drill. And it's light, so it's something you could stick on a harness and use pretty much all day.